there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Canada. And Laura Milligan, a US demonstrator, and I are excited to bring you our November 2019 Heartfelt Card Kits to Go class. So this month we are working with the Snowman Season bundle from the holiday catalog. And we will be creating 6 cards and a treat pouch. So your class kit will include the supplies to create 4 cards, so 2 each of 2 different designs, and a treat pouch, but you'll also receive 2 finished cards. So you'll end up with 3 cards each of 2 different designs and a treat pouch, okay? And then also included in your kit, should you choose option 1, is the Snowman Season bundle. That includes the stamp set and the coordinating punch, as well as the Snowfall Accents puff paint, okay? The supplies that you'll need this month, you'll need 2 ink pads, so Memento in black and Coastal Cabana ink. And then you'll need some way to color in the images. And the coloring on this, in this stamp set, is very minimal. So really you could use anything. We have used the Stampin' Blends in the following colors. So light and dark Pool Party, light and dark Real Red, Pumpkin Pie Dark, light basic black, and light shaded spruce. Okay, but you, like I said, because the coloring is so minimal, just the scarf, the hat, his nose, this little hat, you really could use anything. All right. So I will include the contact information for both Laura and I below, and the way it works is you contact us. We have 2 or 3 different options available this month to purchase, and all of them give you access to our private Facebook group where we post additional samples. We post the PDF with the supply list as well as measurements, and we will also be doing a Facebook Live showing you how the projects come together. So we're very excited to offer this to you, and we hope that you participate. Remember to contact one of us. Information is below, and we'll chat with you later. Thanks for watching.